the truth about truth in motion. It was love moving through me, expanding and then opening. It was taking grief and not allowing it to harden, to be destroyed or even fade away. It wasn't rushing it out. It was sitting with it long enough to see it, to use my hands to transform it, for love to integrate into art. And isn't that what art is? Raw, real, less than perfect, messy emotions, pieces of us that pour out, rippling color, carrying meaning, holding purpose, releasing density. As much as our art lives within us, we live within our art.